Hey, hello.
Chrissy, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. Would you like to share some Groceryhead cart confessions with us?
I would love to.
When did you first realize you enjoyed going to the grocery store?
Oh, goodness. Ever since I was a tiny little baby.
So what does it mean to be a Groceryhead?
Oh, I feel like some people love going for coffee. Some people do meditation. Some people go to yoga. Some people shop. I love to be in a grocery store.
And as a seasoned Groceryhead, what are your top tips for picking produce?
Oh, I kind of just look around and see what everybody else is doing.
Chrissy, what's on your grocery list today?
See for yourself. Pineapple, sparkling water, broccoli for everyone but Miles.
Now for a quick round of smash, dash, pass.
Okay.
Let's start easy.
Okay.
Rice, noodles, bread.
Ooh, smash rice, stash noodles, pass bread.
What about mangoes, pineapples, bananas?
Ooh, pass bananas, smash mangoes, and stash pineapple.
And chicken pot pie, John's fried chicken, or your mom's tom yum soup?
Smash chicken pot pie, stash John's fried chicken, and then I'm sorry, Mom.
If you could bring home one section of Kroger, it would be?
Without a doubt, the frozen section, all of it. I love it so much. I grew up on frozen food. It makes me so happy.
You said before that you loved the grocery store. What was behind that?
I mean, it really wasn't that deep. I think I was in a grocery store and just really loving where I was. And I was like, God, I love it here.
And as a kid, were you a cart pusher or a treat seeker?
Ooh. I was a little bit of both. Does this count as pushing?
Wait, stop. You brought your own divider. What's your best kept Groceryhead secret?
Ooh, I'd say put your favorite snacks on the belt last. That way you can eat them in the car.
What's the funniest thing that's happened to you in a grocery store?
Oh, the funniest thing? I mean, I've definitely taken a corner too fast and my feet completely flipped out from underneath me and a lot of people were watching, so probably that.
What's the kindest thing that's happened to you in a grocery store?
Oh, I'll never forget it. Me and my family were kind of going through like a rough time and it was public and this woman that was checking out in front of me just had bought a bouquet of flowers and laid them down on my conveyor belt and she didn't say a word, she just did that and it meant so much.
What did you grow up eating that you make for your family?
Oh my gosh, scalloped potatoes. I just made those the other day, but really, I think mostly this rice porridge that my mom made growing up called jokmu. It has like pork meatballs and rice and cilantro and ginger and garlic. It's just so yummy. Thanks for watching my cart confessions. Catch you in the aisles. Let's go, Jaden.
My name's Sebastian.